Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Vanguard offline. The primary and most complete way to enjoy Vanguard without an internet connection is through its compelling single-player campaign. Once the game is fully installed, including all necessary campaign content packs, you can launch directly into the story mode from the main menu. This allows you to experience the narrative and missions entirely offline, offering hours of engaging gameplay. Beyond the campaign, Call of Duty Vanguard offers robust local multiplayer options for offline play. You can set up custom matches with up to 4 players on a single console, enjoying split-screen action. Choose from a variety of maps and game modes, and even add AI-controlled bots to fill out teams or practice your skills. This provides a fantastic way to compete with friends or hone your abilities without needing an online connection. The popular Zombies mode is also accessible offline, providing a thrilling cooperative or solo experience. You can dive into the undead horde either by yourself or with a friend via local split screen. Your objective is to survive waves of zombies, complete various challenges, and upgrade your weapons and abilities. This mode offers significant replayability and a unique challenge, all without requiring any internet access. To ensure a seamless offline experience, there are a few crucial steps. First, you must download the entire game and all its content packs, including campaign, multiplayer, and zombies components, while you are connected to the internet. Second, launch the game at least one time online to apply any essential updates. After these preparations, you can disconnect your console and enjoy Vanguard completely offline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.